So guys, here's my thoughts on, maximizing your layovers para as a new trip siya or a new country that you're going to go to. For example, currently, I flew with Anna and I'm currently in Sapporo. So guys, meron akong layover in Tokyo, then free siya when you buy your ticket with, let's say, Anna or Jal. Diba? Ang kagandahan doon, pwede ako lumabas sa Tokyo. So in the next couple of days, I'm going to Tokyo. And because I like to eat yung mga curry katsu ko, mga katsu ko, at least pwede ako lumabas ng Tokyo. And I was able to enjoy Sapporo and for the first time. And guys, ang saya dito. It's the same thing na parang whenever I fly, let's say to Korea or let's say to China, paminsan, I would fly with Cathay, di ba? I earn my miles with Cathay, pero at least I can go to Hong Kong first, get whatever I need in Hong Kong, eat whatever I want in Hong Kong, then I move on to, let's say, going to Korea. Di ba? At least, ang kagandahan doon, yes, I was able to maximize that trip. And sometimes, yung layover flights, yung mga ganun, may connecting flights, mas mura pa yan compared to flying direct, diba? It's the same thing. If you're going to compare flying direct to US, flying with PAL, mahal sobrang yung tickets nila. But if you fly, let's say, with Eva Air, you fly with ANA, maganda yung mga airplanes, maganda yung service rin nila. I also like the service naman ni PAL. But diba, mas mura siya. And you are able to go out to a different country, diba? And yun yung masaya doon nakapag dalawang countries ka in one trip. Yes, you might need more time kasi syempre may mga layover yan, merong mga time dyan na kailangan mas mahaba ang flight time mo, total flight time mo. But if you want to maximize, your trip, you want to go to a different country, you want to have, two places in one trip, why not, diba? It's libre yun paminsan, ang dali lang yan. A lot of these airlines will definitely want you to lay over or go out in their country or their home country because syempre guys, gagastos ka rin doon, diba? It's good for the economy daw. But don't forget guys, it will always have to be budgeted whenever you take on these trips kasi kung hindi siya budgeted, alam niyo yung sagot natin dyan, hindi pwede. Yun lang.